Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss extend our knowledge about application of trigonometry. In this way, today we are going to discuss such a good topic. The topic is that is such a good question is yes, a tree breaks due to storm. A tree breaks due to storm. The broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making angle 30°. Angle with the ground, the distance between the foot of the tree and top of the tree ground level is 6 meters. Yes, 6 meters. And find the height of the tree, total height of the tree before falling down. Simple only. Due to storms, due to some many trees are broken. Yes, here one tree is there. Due to storm, this tree is broken here. This pot will touch the ground like this. Clear? Yes. When the tree is broken, touch the ground with making an angle 30°. The foot of the tree to the touching ground position, the distance between these 2 points is 6 meters are given. Yes, 6 meters are given. Foot of the tree and the top of the tree, because this top will be touch here, no? This top will be touch here, no? The distance between these two is 6 meters is given. He is asking two important points here, making an angle 30° here. The distance between these two is 6 meters. He is asking to find the height of the tree. This total height we have to find this question. Clear? Dear friends, you should observe where is the broken part here? Where is the touching the ground part here? These two are equal. Where is the broken part? Where is the touching part? When the broken part touch the ground, that two should be equal. Means BC equals AC. Yes, AC equals to DC. Clear. Now we have to find first BC. Clear. Then AC. If you find AC means automatically DC also same, no? Because both are similar values. Because broken part will be touch the ground, must be similar. Then we have to find BC and AC. Sum of these two, we should get height of the tree. Let us see, friend. This concept I am going to do that here. Solution. What is given? First we have to write. From the figure, AB equals 6 meters and theta CAB is equals to theta equals to 30°. Clear? Now we don't know BC value. Let us take BC value is X. Let you take AC value. You don't know AC value. You have to take it is Y. Clear? Yes, this is X. We have to consider it. We have to assume it. Now this value is Y. This value is Y, nothing but this is also Y. Find BC plus CD. BC means X. Now by the concept of trigonometry, here this is OS, this is AS, this is hypotenuse. You know very well. Yes, friends. Have to find first OS. What is given? AS given. OS by AS, tan theta. Right. Tan theta. Yes, I have to apply tan theta. Opposite side by adjacent side. Nothing but from this diagram. BC by yes, AB. Theta, yes, theta 30 sir, 30°. BC, we don't know, that is nothing but X. We have to consider is X. AB given sir, 6 meters. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals X by 6. Now do the cross multiplication. X is equals 6 by root 3 meters. 6 1 is 6 by root 3 meters. This is the X value, nothing but BC value 6 by root 3. When the denominators are irrational number, we have to do rationalization. The rational factor is root 3 only. So I have to multiply it and divide it by same term. That is nothing but root 3. Then I should get 6 root 3 by 3. Root 3 into root 3, root 9, square root of 9, 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Then I should get the answer is 2 root 3 meters. This is the value. BC value is 2 root 3 meters. Okay friends. Now we are going to find AC. With respect to this diagram, comparison of these two diagrams, I have to find H. Yes, what is given? AS given. We have to find OS also just now. You can take AS by H, OS by H, your wish. AS by H means cos theta concept. Yes, adjacent side by hypotenuse is nothing but cos theta concept. Chalo, cos theta. Yes, adjacent side by hypotenuse. With respect diagram, adjacent side is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Yes, cos theta. Theta is 30 and AB 6 meters. AC we have taken here. Assume it Y cos 30. Yes, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 30 also root 3 by 2. That is equal 6 by Y. Do the cross multiplication. I should get root 3y is equals to 12. Y is equals to 12 by root 3. Just I told you very clearly, when the denominators are having irrational number, we have to do the rationalization. Now rationalization with root 3 by root 3. I should get 12 root 3 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 4 ja. So y equals to 4 root 3 meters. Y is nothing but, dear friends, AC. AC is nothing but, dear friends, CD. CD equals to 4 root 3 meters. Yes, I got it. BC value, I got it. AC value also, I got it. Then what is asking? Therefore, the length of or height of tree before falling, before breaking. Yes, that is nothing but x plus y, friends. X plus y. Sum of these two. X is 2 root 3. Y is 4 root 3. See, 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3, 6 root 3 meters. This is the height of the tree, 6 root 3 meters, dear friends. How you got it? This is one of different question, friends. The question is length of shadow of 50 meters, height of pole. This is AB is the height of the electric pole, any pole. That height is given 15 meters. Clear? And the shadow length is 5 root 3 meters. The shadow length, the height of the pole is there. 7 o'clock sun rays are plodding on the pole. The shadow will be there. The height of the pole is 15 meters. The shadow length is 5 root 3 meters given in the morning, 7 o'clock. Then what is the angle of elevation? What is the angle of elevation? The sun rays with the ground at the time. Yes, friend, the sun rays will come like this. Touch the ground here. This is called angle of elevation. Is asking to you. What is given? Height of the electric pole is given. Shadow of the electric pole is given. Clear? What time it is? Morning 7 o'clock. Right, friends? Now you have to observe one important thing from the diagram. What is given, dear friends? Yes, AB is nothing but height of pole. That is value is 15 meters. Next, BC is nothing but length of shadow. Length of shadow. You know, we have to play in childhood with shadows. Now, when the light is backside, our shadow will be moves forward. When the light is forward, the shadow will moves backward. And we have to play in childhood age. Now, here friends, we have to find theta. Angle of elevation, that is nothing but ACB. That equals we have to find. In previous question, what we have to understand, friends? Theta is given. We have to find height. We have to find base. We have to find length. These are the things we have to find right now. But in this question, height is given, length also given, means height of the pole is given, shadow of the length is given. But we have to find length of the shadow given. We have to find theta. By concept of this concept, S, this is OS, this is AS. Absolutely you are correct. That is tan theta. Tan theta ratio I am applying here. Nothing but OS by AS. That is nothing but AB by BC. AB value is 15. BC value is 5 root 3. Here tan theta you have to write. We are going to find theta value. Yes. 5 1 ja 5. 5 3 ja 15. Then tan theta equals 3 by root 3. I told you very clearly, when the denominator is having irrational number, we have to do the rationalization with this same term, means multiplied and divided by same term only. 3 into root 3, 3 root 3, root 3 root 3, 3 only, 3 get cancelled, root 3. Tan theta equals to root 3, friends. Yes, got it. We are having tan theta root 3. Yes, 60 degree. Yes, very nice. Tan theta equals to root 3. Tan theta equals to tan 60. Yes, root 3 value is nothing but tan 60. Now comparison of these two, we have to get tan theta value is 60. Theta is 60. Therefore, we have to give the clue and we have to give the conclusion. Thus, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of sun rays, the angle of elevation of sun rays with the ground, the angle of elevation of a sun rays with the ground at the time at the 7 o'clock is at the time is 60 degree. Yes, the angle of elevation of the sun rays touch the ground at the time 7 o'clock is 60 degree. This is the way we have to find thetas also by the knowledge of trigonometric ratios, dear friends. That magic word will helps to you to solve the questions. The magic word is Osha Chota. Am I right? And the trigonometric table tricks also will helps to you to solve this kind of question, dear friends. I told you very important point. Any and every question, what is the important theme of question? What is the important internal meaning of the question? You read twicely as well as thricely. Then you should get the answer very easy manner, friend. So I hope you have to understand this such a good questions to you in the session 3, and we have to discuss the session 4 also such a more good question. Till then you do practice much time and get the good subject knowledge. Bye children. Bye.